instead of currently you click.
Dairy, and it is on full.
Daily wash now in 2. That's not going to bother in time.
Well, not at the moment, it hasn't. All these new washers are completely different.
Unless it were in between the Super and the 15, that might have been why it was.
It's not going up.
It's just trash, yeah. What's going in that one? Go through the overall this time. Yeah. Sometimes they do,
I'll have a
but
look in the book for the conditioner which one it is.
I think it is the middle one. It always used to be. It used to be on the old models, but we can just about see in the drum because
One of them will
it's dark loads. Yeah.
I'll get it fitted. Let's go down then.
Just get rid of the piece of sausage. Roll the
Got
sausage.
potatoes, haven't we?
Unless you want to get that.
Really, it's not all the same.
No, we'll just get them. You've got potatoes, haven't you?
What are the beans or what are the peas? Do you want the peas and gravy?
The gravy.
Peas and gravy.
We've not got a lot of potatoes.
Lots of peas.
We don't really like that sausage.
No, we'll have your own sausage.
Have
Oh?
we got normal sausage?
No, but we can get a small pack for him.
It's going to cost you nothing to do that, is it?
He probably wants sausage.
I'm getting something else I've got fried shrimp. CD.
What?
Corn CD.
What you open it for? Give it me. Why did you give it then?
He's coming for it and it's in the wash so you can give it then.
If it plays on it.
That's it an hour. I wonder why it don't light up.
Some models don't, not all of them.
Does it say it lights up?
Reading the instructions, can't you? Because the one at my Auntie Leslie's got lights up.
You have to press them for it to do that.
No, it just come on automatically.
Oh, look.
You don't say keep them all, I'm just going to throw them all.
Why? Because you might need it.
No, you must.
Throw them all.
No. Keep it to be on the safe side. My grandma's giving me hers because she knows where everything is on her washing area. Hers is a Deco, and she's had it for years, never broke.
Give you herbal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about an hour's wash that day, you bet.
Some of them now take longer than that. So.
A daily wash would do with Lily.
One of my dad uses all the time.
I just put it on a 1200 but I won't keep it on 1400.
No.
Well,
Well, that's why I put it on 800 on last one. Actually, I don't think it did in 800. They actually did a 500 for a couple of minutes and then it stopped, didn't it? They do. They all are now, most of them. Yeah, I'd like to video that dryer switched on, if she'll let me. Because it's an old dryer, isn't it?
First edition.
Where did it come from? Was it yours?
Yeah, they were first edition.
With the washing machine?
Yeah, first edition dryer.
So when you got rid of the washer, you gave her the dryer?
Yeah, because of the door being wrong, she just put the chair against it.
All right. Oh yeah, that'd be good to film it, that.
Yeah, the software doesn't work anymore. The other one's a pre-wash.
Yeah, it is.
What does that mean, pre-wash?
A pre-wash is with something that's really dirty. Something that's...
You put extra powder in the pre-wash?
Probably can put an extra bit. But a pre-wash is for something that's very, very dirty. Like very filthy.
So you
And
put some in the normal drawers and then the pre-wash drawer?
well, no. I think you have to put it in the pre-wash drawer. I wouldn't say put it in both sides. It might make a suds lock.
We've got a naughty cold tap at the back, so if we wanted an old wash, we could have one. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.